Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in just 3 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till the end. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So let's start. So the first thing you have to do is insert a rounded corner rectangle and then duplicate it and then rotate it and duplicate it again by pressing Ctrl plus G, and you have to duplicate it several times and you have to duplicate it again. And what you have to do is just put them in a random order that there is no spacing between them and that the spaces are equal and the distance is equal as well. But the heights and the widths of the rounded corner rectangle doesn't have to be equal. So here you go. Let me just randomly put some here by duplicating them by pressing Ctrl plus G. So the shortcut key for the duplicating a shape in PowerPoint is Ctrl plus D for the laptop and Windows. So I don't know what device you're using to make this template. By the way, you can tell me by or you can just comment down and tell me what device you're using. So let's remove the remaining out of the template parts, and we're gonna go to fill and picture texture fill, and we're gonna give it a picture fill. So as you can see, I want to find a high resolution perfect image for this shape, but as you can see, this picture is not really fit because I can clearly see what the picture says. So let's just change the image for my own device. Here you go. Let's use this green image of a mountain landscape. So I'll just use this one. Close the format of background, and we're gonna change the color of background color using eyedropper, but let's just make it more brighter. And then you're gonna insert your content text. Let's decrease its size and change its color. As you can see, white is not visible, so I'll use black as the font's color. And next you're gonna increase its size, insert a straight line just above the content text and insert a text box just above the straight line, and you have to change its color, insert your text, but that is gonna be your title. Similarly, you're just gonna put it right here and next insert a subtitle, and the color I'm gonna use for this one is also green, so let's give it middle alignment. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And if you have any questions regarding this template, I'll answer them right away and you can just ask me in the comments. So next we're gonna insert some circles, and here go three of the icons from the insert tab and icons tab. So I'll just decrease the size and change the color. As you can see, white color is visible on this green color, so I'll just use white color for them. So that was all for today in this video, and this is the final result. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. You can download this template and then use it for your own purposes, for school purposes or for business purposes or whatever you want. So see you in another video soon.